In this lesson, we'll discuss the role of an XML schema when working with XML documents. A schema is used to describe the structure and content of an XML document. Schemas are used to make sure applications can establish a common vocabulary to exchange data across a class of documents. There have been many XML schema languages developed to express specific models. These include Document Type Definition, or DTD, and XML Schema. Many industries have developed their own standard for data exchange using XML. These schemas are constantly evolving to meet business needs. Some examples include the IFX, OFX, Swift, and Spark schema used throughout the banking industry. FI-XML, MDDL, and RI-XML used in the financial markets, UCC-NET used in the retail industry, and EB-XML used in the automotive industry. Schemas are often used to check if an XML document is both well-formed and valid. Some common characteristics of schemas include that they're written in XML, they support namespaces, and schemas are extensible to additions. They also support data types. This makes it easier to describe document content. It makes it easier to convert data between different data types. It also simplifies defining restrictions and makes it easier to validate data integrity. XML has become central to web development. It's used as a core technology for Web 2.0 frameworks such as RSS, AJAX, and Atom. We'll be exploring AJAX later in this course.